Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I'm not really working on my truck. Well, I am working on my truck, but this is not even related to the video that I'm making because unfortunately the original file got lost and I have to re-record the video that the video is gonna be all about today. Recently I accidentally ripped these covers off, so I had to take them out, repaint this, and then I'm gonna put the new ones in. But that's not even what the video today is about. As some of you may know, may not know, last year I installed the front differential M205 front differential, and look at this, guys. Look what I got myself into. I don't know even where to begin. This was my plan all along. I was going to this for nearly 2 years now to get my M205 Titan front differential and get a rear locker. I know it's not an air locker, it's just electrical locker, but still it's better than nothing. But unfortunately I got wrong gear ratio, and I only find that out when I was up on the trails all the way in Pennsylvania off-roading, and for the majority of that time I had to off-road and just two-wheel drive, not to damage anything important. Once I got back home, I checked, and for sure that front differential M205 is a wrong gear ratio that I've been sold. The companies that sold it to me from eBay, unfortunately they lied to me, and by the time I installed it, by the time I checked it and everything, so much time has passed. Unfortunately I couldn't return it, I couldn't do anything. But in this video I found another option. I found another M205, actually found it on a Facebook marketplace. It was listed by one of the junk car dealers, which is about 50 or so miles away from me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump into my car. Well, I did jump already before because I'm recording this all over again, and I'm gonna go and gonna try to get that M205, and we guys gonna look at it. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy this very short little video with a little surprise at the end that I'm very excited about as well. Alright guys, so I got over here to the salvage yard. I think I have to go there, so I'm just gonna go and look for where is my differential. Alright, so here's a bunch of parts, and here's my differential. So hopefully this time is gonna be the right one. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to do it all over again. So now I'm just gonna load it up on my truck and off we go. So this is the first differential that I bought that is a wrong gear ratio, but luckily I found a buyer for it, which is coming anytime soon now, and I'm actually selling this, so kind of got lucky with that. So that definitely gonna help me to recover some money that have been lost because I have to buy it twice. But yeah, luckily everything worked out. Alright guys, I got the diff back to the house, back to the garage. So now I'm actually gonna be finishing up this video over here. Just gonna let you guys know what's the next plan for this. Of course I'm gonna take this apart, gonna clean it, drain all the fluid. I got all the new seals again, so I'm gonna replace these two sides for two reasons: just to make sure they're nice and good and clean, but there is also something else that I'm gonna be doing with the differentials. So next time you guys see this, I'm gonna be doing something really nice to this differential, because I also got a locker. Yes, I know it's not an air locker, it's electrical locker, but I'm gonna be installing an electrical locker in here. That way I'm gonna have a front and rear lock. I mean, there is multiple issues with having a front locker. It's could be more dangerous than without it. You really have to know how to use it and when to use the locker, but that's completely different video. completely different topic. So hopefully next time will you see guys me working on this differential. I'm gonna be doing a somewhat step-by-step how to install this locker, and yeah, I hope you guys gonna be happy as well. Cannot wait to work on that. But as of today, I'm just gonna be finishing up right here. You guys know what's awaits. So whenever next time working on this differential, I'm gonna be installing the locker, and yeah, and then I'm just gonna throw it in a truck and we're gonna test it. So anyways guys, I hope you guys excited as I am about all of this, and I hope you guys gonna be looking for the next video. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you might gonna find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.